In this lesson, we're gonna learn logical operators. We have here our first operator, AND operator. Okay, for example, if we just console.log, if we just type true and true and true, we got here true because we have here 3 truths. What if we just make one of them false? We got here false because one of them are false. So this AND operator return us true and false, but to return true, you have to make sure that all values are true, because he check from left to right. For example, he's gonna check this first. It's true, okay, return true. The second is true, okay, return true. The third is false, oh no, just return false. Okay, we have the OR operator. This operator, if you just any value of the values are true, he's gonna return true. Let's have an example. Console.log true or true or false. He is returning to us a true because we have here one of them are true, so he is returning true. What if we just make this false? We still have here a true. It will not return false until all values are false. If all values are false, so it will return false. But if a single value is true, he's gonna return a true. So let's make it return a true if one value is true. Okay, we have the third operator is not. This operator means not. For example, let's have an example. Console.log true. If we just add here not true, he is gonna return false. This return to us the opposite. For example, if we just make 10, if we just type 10 is greater than 1, we got here true because 10 is greater than 1. What if we just add this here? It would return false because here I'm just say it's not 10 greater than 1, so it's return false because 10 is greater than 1 and I say here not, so it will return false. Okay, so if we just add a true value here and add this not operator, we just say not true. Not true means false. So now the first log return false because all values must be true and we have one value is false, so it returns to us false. The second log here, he is returning to us true because this OR operator return true if just we have one value between the values is true. And the third one, it returned the opposite of the boolean. Okay, if you don't understand, don't worry, I'm gonna give you an examples. Let's take the first example, the AND. Okay, imagine that you want to log in to your Facebook account, okay, or to log in to your Gmail account. You need 2 things. First is the email, so let's create a variable. Email exists equals to true. Okay, and you need the password, var password exists equals to false. To log into your Gmail account, you need email and password. So if you just create your condition here, console.log, you need here email exist, and so you're gonna use here. So now the log returned to us false because you cannot log in. You have the email but you don't have the password. You should have the password. So let's make this true to return to us true. Okay, now let's have an example for OR. So now if you want to log in to your Facebook, you need email or phone number. So here you shouldn't use AND operator, but you can use, so here you can use OR. And if email exists and the phone is not exist, is false, we got here true, because email is exist, but we don't have any phone number. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So it's OR. What if we just have, we don't have email and have a phone number? System says it return true and you can log in. But if we just have the both are false, if you don't have the email or the phone number, it return false, then you cannot log in. I hope this lesson was easy to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next lesson.